giving you one more opportunity to retrieve anything you want from the car.
My auntie's a police officer too. My auntie probably your boss. This is her car.
Pattern of wrong raids by Chicago police.
Just relax, all right?
I don't cannot relax. I'm completely naked. I don't have underwear or anything on.
So you want me to get her dressed?
Shots fired at the police. 2 officers down. 2 officers down.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. What does the Chief of Internal Affairs, a huge narcotics bust, $2.9 million, a botched raid, and a slain officer all have in common? Before we get into that, most of you guys don't know that I got my start on YouTube playing mobile games.
Lackluster Gaming, starting out a new channel here.
And today's video is sponsored by Spades Royale, a free-to-play card game that you can play anywhere at any time. Spades Royale is totally free on iOS and Android. It's easy to learn, and you get 1,000 free coins by using my link to download the game and using my promo code in the shop. Realistically, I don't recommend downloading it at all, because since I got Spades Royale, I can't stop playing it. I almost didn't make this video because I can't put my phone down. In Spades Royale, you can play solo or partners. The game lets you create your own avatar or join a live room and see live video of your opponents and teammate while you play. So every time you school somebody, you get to witness the rage quit live. There's also people who will happily help you learn how to play.
How do you play this?
Oh, hell no. Lackluster, what you mean how you play?
But really, it's so easy that I learned in about a minute. And if you use Lackluster as a promo code, you get 1,000 coins for free. So click my link in the description or pinned comment to download Spades Royale and get your 1,000 free coins. And now, back to the video. On the 1st of February, 2022, members of counterterrorism for the Chicago Police Department were conducting a narcotics operation. Their sergeant was surveilling via POD cameras and noticed a man approach an empty car while on the phone. The man crouched down out of view and appeared moments later with a multicolored item in his hand, believed to be packaged narcotics. The man then jumped into the passenger seat of a silver Lexus and left. Officers followed the vehicle until it failed to use a turn signal. They immediately initiate a traffic stop, and the man throws the multicolored item out of the window. One of the officers recovers the item and finds a Ziploc bag with 84 individual pink baggies containing a white substance. The passenger was arrested and charged, but it's what happens next that is so interesting. The officers conduct a search of the female driver and find nothing in the car. What they do find is that the vehicle is registered to Chicago Police Chief Yolanda Talley. Chief Talley is the head of the Chicago Police Department's Internal Affairs Bureau, and her vehicle is about to be taken for its involvement. The driver is Chief Talley's niece.
So, I'm giving you one more opportunity to retrieve anything you want from the car. If you don't, alright, that's fine.
So you don't want to get Wait, nah, you got my house keys, man.
Do you want the house?
Yes, I need my yes.
So what do you want to get?
The I'm just finna pull off like
Yeah, we are gonna fall off. Absolutely,
don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. My auntie probably your boss, so don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it.
Alright.
I need my stuff. Give me, he got my keys.
Do you want the keys or not?
Yes, I need my house. I need all my stuff.
So yeah, you got the street up.
Hello? No, I need my kids stuff out the back seat, everything. Y'all taking my auntie car for what?
Which one is your house keys?
That whole thing?
No, you can't.
Can I get my kids stuff out the back?
Go ahead, it's open. It's open.
It's open. Go get your keys.
It's not open. That's some bullshit. That's some straight up bullshit. Yes, it is.
Are these your house keys? These your house keys?
My car keys now. My car keys.
No, you can't have the car keys.
He has 2 separate keys in his hand.
We don't know which car key goes with, so we gonna figure it out.
The one that's the Lexus. The other one is not a Lexus car.
Can you take this, please?
No, I need my auntie to come down. My auntie's a police officer too. This is her car.
Now you got
What?
you playing now.
How am I playing? Don't touch me.
Hey, just go.
I'm gonna hell no.
Man, we gave you the opportunity.
Don't worry about it, but my auntie.
Okay, no problem. Everything's being recorded anyways, ma'am. So don't worry.
You can go to the Homeless Square facility and you have a nice day, man.
Chief Talley's niece was not charged, and the vehicle was returned to the chief shortly after the arrest, though vehicles involved in narcotics arrests are typically impounded. All of the officers on scene were assigned to desk duty. The chief has since refused interviews, leaving us with the following questions. Was Chief Talley's niece allowed to use the vehicle? Did she know how it was being used? If so, was she a part of the crime, or did she rat out her niece's boyfriend? The man who was arrested turned out to be responsible for a bad tip from 2019 that a felon in possession of a gun was in the home of a social worker, Miss Anjanette Young.
You got the wrong house! I live alone!
Miss Young was forced to stand naked for 30 minutes while they searched her home before officers realized that they had the wrong house.
Can I please call somebody?
Yeah, man, relax.
You telling me to relax and y'all to come in my house like this?
Just relax, all right?
How can I relax when this is going on? You keep saying in a minute and you guys have kicked my
I'm going to
dreams.
explain everything to you in a moment, okay? We
You keep saying in a moment, tell me what's going on.
to get all our photographs completed before I sit down.
Now how can you take photographs of my house and don't tell me what you're looking for?
I will explain that to you in a moment. I'm going to give you
Tell me
a copy of the
now.
as well, okay?
Tell me now. You got the wrong house. You got the wrong house. How is this legal? I'm standing here naked. You take pictures of my house and you won't let me call nobody. And I keep telling you, you got the wrong place. I need to call somebody I trust and I need to put some clothes on. This is so fucking crazy. You have no clue. I'm completely naked. I don't have underwear or anything on. And you just busted my house like this and now you ripped my bed apart. All of this stuff for what? Nobody that you're looking for lives here.
The alleged felon they were looking for was at his own home with an electronic monitoring device and could have been tracked to his exact location. Ms. Young sued for the botched raid and settled for $2.9 million. 12 of the officers that conducted that raid were put on desk duty, and the Civilian Office of Police Accountability recommended that half of them be punished, including Officer Ella French, who was ambushed and killed in the line of duty in August.
Naked. Don't you bother releasing balls.
So you want me to get her dressed? Where's a pair of sweatpants and a t-shirt?
Overall, this is one of the strangest stories I've ever covered. It's insane how many connections are made from this one traffic stop. Let me know what you think of this big mess down below. There's certainly room for theory in this one, and the department's silence is telling. A huge thanks to Spades Royale for sponsoring this video. Remember to download it for free using my link, and to claim your 1,000 free coins using my promo code, Lackluster. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Membership start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.